When you're out of hot water, every minute counts. With HD Supply's Water Heaters Now, our 24/7 water heater delivery program, we'll deliver a new commercial water heater within 2 to 4 hours. Our dedicated crews meet and work with local plumbers on site, and we're fully equipped with lifts and racks to get any size water heater into your facility, regardless of the location. With our Stair Climber hand truck, we can get the new water heater up or down any steps, whether it's to the roof or to the basement. And we remove the old water heater with ease. Water heaters within 2 to 4 hours from HD Supply. What you need, where you need it, when you need it.